So in the bathroom, I want to note that the water for the shower doesn't work. Alright, so run the tub. Then let's have a look down here. Alright, as you can see, there's some leakage here. Watch for the leak. See it? There it goes across the camera boat. Starting to get wet down there. Kind of hard to tell where that leak's coming from, but it's got to be coming from that. Looks like. Let me see. Yeah, it's coming from the that seal right, the drain seal. So we're gonna have to check, pull that apart, see why. All right, so I took my little wrench here and we opened up the drain. As you can see, there's a couple mistakes. One, no Teflon tape on the threads at all. The plumber's putty is barely on there, only half on there, and it doesn't even look right. Other problem is the seal. It looks like it's not on track with everything, and possibly, let me see if this seal's even any good. Let me see. Let me see if I can get that out of there. Okay, let's have a look. Well, okay, so seal itself looks okay, I guess. Now this part, that's not necessary. It's warped anyway. All that should be necessary is the gasket, Teflon tape, and actually putting the plumber's putty on it. So we're gonna try that next and then see if that should cure it. All right, so we got this here, properly prepared. And got the seal here. So I'm gonna pop that back in and then put everything back together. We should stop the leaks after that. Should be good to go. Things sit a while and do running one more test. It's been an hour. Okay, let's come over here and check it out. It's perfect. You feel around. It's dry. Dry. It's good. Perfect. It's fixed. There we go. And drains down perfectly as well. Good to go. I'm out of here.